способны пиздеть. Я слишком реальный для этого. Я не смогу вас предать. Я слишком реальный для этого.
Today we will be making an iPhone box. So you need a shock mount, a cord, some chapstick, and 2 frisbees. So what you do with all this is, as you see, so we're making a iPhone box, and it's pretty simple, you know. People say that it's hard to make an iPhone box. You need all this crazy stuff that you could never get, like a painting of 2 cats and a frog. It's really simple. So this is what we're making. Purebred iPhone box. First with the frisbees, you take these, and see, everyone has their kitchen drawers. What you want to do with the frisbee is, the first one, you put it in the kitchen utensil drawer. The second frisbee, it goes right up against a corner. So these 2 frisbees that we've placed are to keep the solar waves from escaping. They're contained between these 2 frisbees. So what you want to do is take the bullet, the chapstick, and the cord, and the bullet. You have to put it on top. To put it on top, then you have to purchase chapstick, and with the chapstick, you set it right there as a totem, and then you stretch the cord from the chapstick all the way to the bullet, and it should look like this. And when you're done with all of that, you take the shock mount, and the shock mount, you use this to encase the chapstick so perfectly to move it to the corner, and it has to be perfectly on the corner of your kitchen marble table. And if you don't have a marble kitchen table, you lose and you can't do this. So you want to screw this on really, really tight. See, like so. Really good, you know, get it screwed on. Gotta bend it forwards, and it's gotta sit in the corner. And with all these objects placed perfectly, this happens. Show them the objects, Adam.